Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about stopword removal in NLP. We'll understand what stopwords are, and more importantly, I will show you how to remove stopwords using Python and NLTK. So let's jump directly into the code. First, I'm going to import NLTK. So usually you need to just install NLTK library, which usually so import NLTK. So I just imported it because I already installed it through pip. So you can directly go and install it through it. And now we need the stopword dataset from NLTK. So I'm going to run NLTK dot download of stopword. So for that, NLTK dot download of stopwords. So once this downloaded, we can use the stopword provided by NLTK. So then the next part, now I'm going to import stopword motif from NLTK, like from nltk.corpus. So I can import the stopword for that. So for that, from nltk dot corpus import stopwords. Okay, spelling is wrong. Okay. So I just imported it. So, and now let's get all the English stopwords for this right now. So for that, we just need to add stopwords. I'm just creating the variable for that, and I'm creating a set for this. And stopwords dot words of English. So here stopword dot words of English gives us a list of common English stopwords. For example, words like the, is, a, and, in, on. And I'm using set here because checking whether a word existing in a set is efficient or not for that. And now let's create a simple sentence for that. So for that, I'm just creating a variable called text. Inside this, I will create the boy is playing in the park. So this is a simple sentence. Now I want to break this sentence into individual words. For that, I will use a split function for that. So let me add a word variable again and text dot split. So let's print the words right now for that. So let me use a print statement and I will just print the words. So usually if I run this program, so what the output we get? Let's see that. Okay, so you see the boy is playing in the park. So now our sentence has been converted into a list of individual words. Now comes the important part. We want to remove the words that are present in our stock word list. I'll use a list comprehension for this. Like for that, so I will create a variable filtered words word for word in words if word dot lower not in stopwords. Let's understand this right. So we are going to through each word in words list. Then we are converting the words to lowercase using word dot lower, and we are checking word dot lower not in the stopwords. If the word is not in stopword, we'll keep it. If it is a stop word, we'll remove it. Now let's print our final result. So print filtered words. So let me run this again and I will show you what we get. So you see the stop words has been removed from the previous and you can compare it from the both from the output. So previous output is this and after stop word we have this as the output. So the boy is playing in the park. After that, it becomes like it's completely removed the stopwords, and that's basically how stopword removal works. Now, I hope you have got exact idea how we usually do stopword removal and how NLTK is used to do this process for the NLP part. So that's it, friends. So if you understand this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want any more doubts or anything, if you want to get into NLTK or NLP and AI related stuff, please reach me in the Instagram or follow me there. Thank you.